Hi, I'm Dr. Brown, and in this video we're going to talk about fun stuff. We're going to talk about health and wellness for your puppies and kittens. Puppies and kittens require a diet that is formulated for growth stages, which is about 4 weeks to 12 to 18 months of age. You can usually see on the bag that they're recommended for puppies or kittens. And usually about 12 to 18 months, we recommend switching them to an adult food. So vaccines, we typically start around 8 weeks of age. That is because your puppy or your kitten is starting to lose protection from the maternal antibodies at this point. They require boosters around every 3 to 4 weeks until about the age of 16 weeks. For puppies, we recommend vaccinating against distemper, parvovirus, hepatitis, parainfluenza, and leptospirosis, as well as rabies virus and bordetella, which is recommended if you're going to be exposed to other dogs or going to boarding facilities, as well as canine influenza virus. For kittens, we recommend vaccinating against 3 primary respiratory infections, as well as feline panleukopenia and rabies. The feline leukemia virus we also vaccinate for in cats that are going to be indoor-outdoor or exposed to other cats. For your first visit, your pet will get a full physical exam, as well as a stool sample check for intestinal parasites. At that visit, we will also start updating vaccines. We will then want you to come back about once a month until your pet is 16 weeks of age, so we can finish up with the vaccine series at that visit. For spaying and neutering cats, we recommend doing that between 4 to 6 months of age. Dogs are different, so it depends on the gender, it depends on the breed, and whether it's a large or small breed. So the best thing to do for your dogs is to talk with your veterinarian about scheduling an appropriate time for spay or neuter. Puppies by nature are very playful, so it is important to give them an outlet for that energy. You can do that by having safe toys for them to chew on at home. As soon as those toys start to look a little worn, you want to throw them away because they can be inclined to ingest them, so you want to be careful for that. The other thing to be careful for is to make sure that you don't take them to a dog park or any place where they're interacting with other pets until they are fully vaccinated. So for us, that's about 2 to 3 weeks after they've had their final round of shots. Kittens are some of the most playful creatures you will come across. You can have a lot of fun playing with them at home with anything from a pen to a feather. There are lots of fun toys you can get from them as well. However, you just want to make sure that they aren't ingesting any of their toys. It can cause an intestinal obstruction and they can become very sick and need surgery to correct that. Microchipping is an important way to keep track of your pet if they ever are lost or escape your yard. That microchip has a number with important information on it that will lead us back to you or lead whoever finds your pet back to you. We do offer microchipping here at A-Animal, and we often will do it at the time when they are spayed or neutered. If you at any point want to get a microchip, it doesn't have to be done at that time, so just give us a call and we can get that set up.